Kids, welcome. It's Professor Thomas here with a 5-minute overview of how to master the ACT English. If you follow these simple 6 steps, you're on your way to getting the best possible score that you can. Step number 1, we have to learn some grammar rules. Where are we going to find that? You'll see in a moment. Second step is to memorize those rules. Wait, how? How are we going to do it? Then step 3, apply the rules of grammar to the ACT practice tests. Wait, when are we going to do that? 4, learn the application phase with Professor Thomas. Step 5, learn Formula A and Formula B lesson with the professor. And finally, step number 6 in mastering ACT English, refine your wrong answers. How are we going to do that? Kids, let's go ahead and find out. Step number 1, learn the rules of grammar. There's 3 places you can find the rules of grammar. On our website, www.asktheprofessor.org, there's 2 spots we can find some of the rules under the Learn It tab, Learn It English. These are video movies, 20 to 30 minutes long. You're not really sure what you're learning. Once you start the video, think of a Scooby-Doo mystery. Inside one of these movies is a concept that's essential to mastering the ACT English. They're fun, they're adventurous, they're goofy, they're easy to watch. Kids, 20 to 30 minutes. Watch the movie, and then inside there's going to be a lesson showing you exactly what you need to do. There's going to be some practice problems that you can follow along with and do. And then at the end, you're going to review and put your information down on a note card to try and memorize those rules. Learn It tab under asktheprofessor.org. These movies are not all complete, so I went ahead and took some of the rules and put them in a shorter version called Rainforest Review English. You see here, it's tab that says Review It. Rainforest Review. Simply click on that, find the rest of the rules that are going to be on the sheet that I'll hand out to you. Here they are right here. Finally, the third place that you can find our English grammar rules is at the Wednesday and Thursday Combine, the black little tablets, the Nook tablets. You're going to be able to find the rules of grammar, the remaining ones that are going to be on those tablets. Step number 2, memorize the rules. How are we going to do that? The best way I've found to memorize the rules is to make a 3x5 note card. On the front, what the rule is. On the back, list off what you learned in the video lesson, the rule, and a quick note about the rule that's important, and then use an example illustrating that concept. Let's take a look at this card here. Razor blade. What I do on the front is I simply label the card number. It's number 1. Then on the back, here's the rule of what I got out of the video lesson, as specific as possible here. Rule is simple as best for razor blade. Do not be redundant, razor blade, and check the choice that says delete. Check that first. That's the rule. Then we'll make a note about it. Razor blade is only used for mechanics and usage, and it's the number 1 rule, so try it first. Here's an example. Answer choice A and answer choice B. Which one is better in mechanics and usage? Sam, a 16-year-old kid from Wayzata, likes soccer, or Sam likes soccer. Boom. Razor blade, simple as best, just with the noun and the verb. Audio creepy code. Betty Botter, bought a bit of better. Write it down. Creepy code. Step number 3, we're going to go ahead and apply the grammar rules that you just learned from your note cards to real ACT practice tests. When are we going to do that? We're going to do that at the Genius Combines. The current term right now, we're offering Genius Combines on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Wednesday is located, as usual, at the Southdale Public Library from 5 to 9 p.m. And on Thursday, 5 to 9 p.m. at the Plymouth Library. Genius Combines. Step number 4, we're going to go ahead and learn what's called the application phase with Professor Thomas. You'll need to set up a private one-on-one appointment for that. Finally, Formula A and Formula B with Professor Thomas as well. That is a one-on-one session. Both of these sessions, you'll learn exactly how to work with Formula A and B and the application phase according to your learning style. And finally, step number 6, refine your wrong answer choices. How are we going to do that? The best way to do that is to focus on your wrong answer choices and identify what we're getting wrong and go ahead and categorize it. Here, we have an example. It's the English review sheet. this is what it'll look like. Something like this. Problem number, the type, what did I forget to do, and easy, medium, and tough. Let's go ahead and do an example. Let's say that I missed problem number 15 on the English, and I identified 15 as being one of the rhetorical skills. It's about the whole passage. It says, suppose the author had intended to write an essay about. I would simply write Formula A here in the type. Then, what happened? I forgot to do the process. Okay, so I didn't look at the topic sentences in the title. I didn't go ahead and look and read a little bit further. Try and write something down here in this area that will help you understand what you need to do when you're done doing that. Label easy, medium, and tough. It's important for you to understand exactly what you're getting wrong. At the end, you can look at your review sheet and see how many problems you're getting wrong in each section. Kids, there you have it. It's a quick overview how to master ACT English. It's super important that you make sure you understand. You got to learn the rules and memorize the rules with the note cards. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.